come on out to What the Gritz, Virginia Beach, located at the corner of Phoenix and Sabre Drive. And Saturday mornings around 7:30, 8 o'clock, they got the Cars and Coffee group that comes out with their fancy hot rods. Morning! And every week there's a different hot rod to look at and enjoy the beauty of these professionally restored race cars. In fact, you can probably join the Cars and Coffee group yourself and bring your hot rod out too. Saturdays around 7:30, 8 o'clock, they come on out, and when they crank them up later, they rumble and sound awesome. So come out to What the Gritz, Virginia Beach.